Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to assemble this nightstand. This piece uses Walker Edison's new Easy Assembly Premium technology, which means the drawer box comes pre-assembled, so no tools required. It'll also reduce the assembly time by 90% and should take about 5 minutes to assemble. So let's get into it. In step 1, we're going to attach the legs. Next, in step 2, we'll put on the bottom platform. Just make sure that the side with the indent is facing up, because that will be underneath the nightstand. And then we'll take our feet and screw those in through the top. And it can be helpful to just line up all the feet first, without screwing them in completely. And then once they're all in, we can screw them in. Okay, once the feet are tight, we can go ahead and flip it over, and then we'll put in our drawer handle. So the screw will just go in from the inside and the handle on the outside. And once that's tight, we're all done. We hope this video was helpful for you when assembling your new nightstand. For more guides, tips, and tricks, go to walkeredison.com.